For this cutting demonstration, I have a piece of our Diamond Grille Wire and a piece of Invisible Grille Wire. I'll be using all these cutters for this demonstration. First, I will try to cut the Invisible Grille Wire. I'll be using these $2 scissors that I got from the neighborhood $2 shop. Let's do it. Okay. The Invisible Grille Wire has been cut through. Now let's try it on our Diamond Grille Wire. Okay, it remains intact. Let's use this wire cutter. Okay, it still remains intact. Finally, let's test it on a pair of this plier. Okay, let's use my body weight to press on it and see whether it cuts through. Okay. Okay, the Diamond Grille Wire remains intact, and in fact, it made some teeth marks on these two cutters.